today's video, I wanted to go over the best and easiest way to remove the steering wheel without damaging any of the components. There is a steering wheel puller available. It's mil spec, and I'll do some close-up shots, get you a part number at the end of the video. I'll get that information to you. Any other hand tools, specialty tools you need, visit my friends Nick at Jersey Discount Tools, and I'm going to show you real quick how to use this. The best place I've found to find these steering wheel pullers is eBay. There are some surplus dealers around the U.S. that do have these in stock. Search the part number on the tool, 5120-620-0020. The arbor in this kit does protect the threads of that worm gear perfectly. And if you need to run a tap down that, it's 1 inch, 16 threads per inch. Hopefully this is helpful.